Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and this is Belle, and I have been using this PetArmor Plus for flea and tick prevention on my baby girl for years now, and I just have to say I have been thoroughly impressed with the results. This stuff not only kills ticks and adult fleas, but also flea eggs, flea larvae, and chewing lice. Ugh, I feel so grossed out just thinking about it. So that's why I buy this 6-month supply, which comes with 6 tubes of topical solution, and it's so easy to apply. All I do is just cut the end of the tube, then I separate her fur with my hands so I can find a good spot in between her shoulder blades, and then I just squeeze the tube until all the medicine has dispensed. After that, I just continue to cuddle with her until her medicine dries off. So the medicine's supposed to start working within 24 hours of application, and it will continue to work for up to 30 days. And what I also love is that you can sign up for monthly text reminders, which I think is just so convenient because it's so easy to get caught up with our day-to-day lives that PetArmor just makes it so easy to stay on top of our 30-day schedule. So this PetArmor Plus is good for cats that are older than 8 weeks and are over 1.5 pounds. And my kitty is a little over 8 pounds and she has never had any reaction or sensitivity to this. This stuff is super fast acting and it helps me to have that peace of mind knowing that my baby girl is protected no matter where she roams around outside. And that's my point of view.